Ever pondered why organic products are gaining so much attention in the dropshipping world? Well, it's simple. The consumer demand for organic products is rapidly on the rise. More and more people are becoming health conscious, and they are willing to pay a premium for products that are natural, clean, and free from harmful chemicals. In the world of dropshipping, this trend translates into several advantages. First, there's the potential for higher profit margins. Organic products generally come at a higher cost, but consumers are willing to pay for the quality they offer. Second, there's less competition. While everyone else is selling the same mass-produced items, you can stand out with unique organic offerings. Lastly, you're tapping into a growing market. This isn't just a passing fad, but a reflection of a more conscious consumer base that prioritizes health and sustainability. With the right organic supplier, your dropshipping business could tap into this growing market and reap substantial benefits. Now, allow us to introduce the 5 best organic dropshipping suppliers. First on our list is Green Dropship. This supplier is well known for its extensive selection of organic and natural products. They offer everything from groceries and health supplements to beauty products and household items. Green Dropship also stands out for its competitive pricing and efficient shipping. Their customer service is top-notch, providing dropshippers with the necessary support to manage their businesses effectively. Next up is Bangala. They are a leading distributor of organic and eco-friendly products in North America. Bangala offers a wide range of products, including food, pet supplies, and health and beauty items. Their pricing structure is designed to be dropship friendly, allowing for healthy profit margins. Plus, they offer fast shipping and have a responsive customer service team. Third on our list is Inventory Source. This supplier specializes in providing a seamless integration of inventory management for dropshippers. Their product range includes various organic items from leading brands. They offer flexible pricing options and a comprehensive shipping policy. Their customer service is also commendable, providing timely assistance to dropshippers. In fourth place, we have Spocket. They are an innovative platform connecting dropshippers with suppliers from around the globe. Spocket offers a curated selection of organic products from reliable suppliers. Their pricing is competitive, and they have a robust shipping policy that ensures fast delivery. Their customer service team is always ready to assist, making the dropshipping process a breeze. Last but not least, we have Worldwide Brands. This supplier is renowned for its vast directory of certified wholesalers and dropshippers. They offer a plethora of organic products across various categories. Their pricing is transparent, and they have a solid shipping policy. Furthermore, their customer service is reliable, providing dropshippers with the necessary guidance and support. These suppliers not only offer a wide range of organic products, but also support dropshippers in managing their businesses efficiently. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap. We delved into the world of organic dropshipping, highlighting the importance of this growing niche. We introduced you to 5 top-notch organic suppliers, each with their unique selling points. Firstly, we have the Organic Wholesale Club, known for their extensive catalog of organic products. Next, Green Dropship, recognized for their dedication to sustainable practices. Third on our list is Honest Green, a supplier who prides themselves on their transparency and honesty. Fourth, Bangala Organic, an industry veteran with a reputation for reliability. Finally, Azure Standard, a supplier that stands out for their commitment to quality organic products. These suppliers are not just sources of products, they're potential partners in your dropshipping journey. Choosing the right one can be a game changer for your business, enhancing your product offerings and bolstering your reputation. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping organic products is finding a reliable supplier that aligns with your business values and objectives. Happy dropshipping!